Greetings folks, William C. Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to finish our discussion about affiliate marketing and the best ways to get affiliate marketing success. You know, I see this question on the online questioning sites such as Quora Online on a weekly basis. There's always a different person asking how to be successful as an affiliate marketer. Exactly how do you do it? Some have said they've been trying for a while and still haven't made much progress. Well, first of all, understand affiliate marketing is simply where you're selling someone else's products for a commission. And those commission ranges depend on what the vendor of that product chooses to set. And when they pay out, that's also upon their discretion. Now, what I'm showing you today is a particular company that has an opportunity, an affiliate marketing opportunity, where they'll pay you just about 85 to 95% of the actual sales price, and you're paid daily, sometimes even instantly. This is something that is not too well known about in the affiliate marketing industry, but there are actually programs that pay instantly and daily. This is one of them that I'm going to show you. And what it is it's a digital marketing product. It's a training product. Just like a bunch of these training sites you see where people log in and they go and access a set of training videos, whether it be about cooking, whether it be about how to repair something on their car. There's some type of training video that they access on some website, and they had to pay a monetary fee to access that training. It's no different here, except the subjects of the training. Let me show you right here just the exact type of things that many people are learning. And if we just scroll down right here, and of course you can easily go to e1u.easymoneysite.biz, and you'll see we have different packages, 6 training packages as a matter of fact. And the first one is our Elevation Basic, and you'll see what comes with it. These are the different trainings. Everything what you see next to the orange check marks is what's included in this training package. And you did see the price point. And if you were to purchase this particular training package and you were to go ahead and resell it, say you knew some people who were interested in these same type of lessons here that you see here, well, whenever they purchase, you would get $25, and that's paid to you instantly or daily to the checking account that you set up in your back office. That makes a difference. It's on you where you want your money to go. We're not holding your money here. So that's the Elevation. And then next we have the Elevation Elite. You see the price more here. And these are the training packages. You can see. And no matter what, if you get a higher package, the lower one is going to come with it. I want to make sure you know that you're getting the trainings that came before it too. You're getting that included. So the higher package you get, the better, right? Also, it helps your commissions if you're reselling it, because now if you resell and someone purchased the Elevation Elite, you'll get $100 of this sale, and it'll be paid to you daily or instantly, depending on how you set things up in your back office. And you'll still be eligible to get the $25 commission off this one. See how that works? The higher package you get, the better. The next one is the Vertex package. Now you're seeing it's getting a little bit more tense, more into marketing subject matters. As you can see, look at all the different lessons. Look at all these things. Surely anyone who's trying to be successful online, who's trying to work from home in whatever industry that work from home job may be, is going to need these trainings. They're going to need this stuff. They're going to need to know how all this works and become a master. And these trainings will teach you. Not to mention that if you sell this to anyone, you'll receive $250 immediately paid to the checking account you set up in your back office. And this package also includes a set of marketing email templates that you can use, opt-in pages. Those are those pages that have the little form on it for someone to put their name and email so you can contact them for future marketing and for future communications. See, that's one of the big secrets right there to affiliate marketing success. You're going to need some opt-in pages, something that gets people in the door, that invites them to join your list so that you can keep on communicating to them, because most of the time no one's going to buy from you at first sight, right? Especially if they don't know you. Unless you're an already established brand, they're just not going to buy from you too often at first sight. People go into Walmart and different little stores all the time. They don't always buy everything they see. Sometimes they don't even buy anything. They just go and browse around and they make a mental note of the things that they'll get in the future, perhaps when their finances are better, right? But you want to be at the top of their mind when they come to make that purchase decision. You want them to think about you first, right? So how do you do that? It's with constant communication. You have to build an audience, or in online business parlance, we call that building a list. That's what you're gonna have to do, and we provide opt-in templates at this level for you to do so. Social media pack images and advertisements that you can use if you choose to resell, or you can also work these social images and social memes that we're gonna give you, and giving you the rights to use them as you would. You can edit them for whatever you may be into. It may not even be a product or service you're selling. You might just be a part of an important cause, you know, some type of non-profit movement that you're involved in, and you're just trying to get the message out about that. You can use some of this marketing tools for that. And of course, to get your message out, you're definitely going to need these trainings. Now, the next level is our Vertex Elite. So we provide everything that we're giving you in all the other packages as well when you get this. And if you resell this one, you will get $500 immediately paid to you. Immediately paid to you. That's immediately paid to you. You're not waiting weeks. You're not waiting months to get paid, as in many other affiliate programs. You're getting paid immediately, folks. That's important. And not only do we give you all those opt-in page and marketing templates and social media templates, we also create a custom logo for you and give you further web page landing templates that go beyond just the opt-in forms. It's a full web page that brands you. Plus, we make you a logo. Depending on your parameters, whatever you want that logo to kind of look at, we'll make that for you, and it'll be yours for the rest of your business life. And these are the trainings that come with it. Look, it's even more powerful. It's getting more intense. More intense. You're not gonna find this stuff just randomly clicking around YouTube. You're gonna need some private, dedicated training, and that's what we're giving you at E1U Life. That's the type of online business training. The next one is our Vertex Pro Connect, giving you the same things, everything that's in the other packages, plus a full multi-page funnel. If you don't know what a funnel is, it's simply a series of web pages and web messages that further guide the interested person into making that buying decision. That's all a sales funnel is, anytime you hear that term. And we'll actually build that for you at this level. And if anyone buys, and who wouldn't want to buy? Look at the training in this. Plus, they're getting all the packages that came before. Let's not forget that. They're getting everything else that came before this package. And look at this. They're definitely going to want to need to know this. This is stuff you're going to want to need to know if you plan on succeeding online in any industry. And if you resell this package, you will get a whopping $1,000 immediately paid to you. Immediately paid to you. There's no waiting on this, folks. Our next package and final package is the Vertex Live. You're going to get a whole custom website built, everything that came in the package before, and if you plus access to the live events when they start going back, and you're gonna get so much personalized, detailed mentoring going on with this Vertex Live packages, plus all these trainings which go very deep. It's the deep stuff that no one's gonna teach you. There are a lot of college professors that don't even teach this stuff. Trust me, you can go check the college curriculums and see for yourself. You look at these training modules and at e1u.easymoneysite.biz, when you go there, you'll look at these training modules and you'll see, you compare them to college curriculums that supposedly teach online business, and they don't teach all of this stuff. They just don't. You need the training from those who are experts in the field and not just in the theory. And if anyone buys this from you, if you yourself have purchased the Vertex Live and somebody buys from you, guess what you get? You get $2,000 immediately paid to you. That's right, to you, paid to you. It's an awesome way. And I just want to let you know, when you come here, all you got to do is hit this Get Started Now button. When you hit this Get Started Now button, it's a simple registration form, and you're just going to choose your username, make up a password for yourself, and pick the package you want. The bigger, the better. I know a lot of people want that Vertex Pro and that Vertex Live because of the big commissions and the training, but even if you can't, I mean, at least try the Vertex Elite. At least come there or our Vertex package alone, because $250 immediate commissions coming directly to your account, that's life-changing. Believe me, you get a couple of $250 in a day. Believe me, you're gonna be like this, relaxing for the rest of that day. Trust me, relaxing. How many jobs can you think of that are gonna pay you that? And look what you're getting paid for. You're getting paid for simply referring some awesome training to those who need it anyway. They need this anyway. They need it anyway. Now, what I want to do is I also want to bring you inside and actually show you what some of the training pages look like inside our back office. So if you just give me a second, I'll go ahead and log in right quick. Let me go ahead up to this login. 1 second while I fill in my details. Okay, now that I'm logged in, I just wanted to show you, like I said, some of the training. And this is, and as you can see on the right hand side, these are all the different lessons, and look, it doesn't stop, it keeps going and keeps going. And this is just one package. In fact, this is our Vertex package alone, but look at everything that's in it. I mean, look at that. That's just one of the training packages. You're not gonna get this anywhere else, folks. Let's take out the roadmap to 100K. Let's just see what happens here. As you'll see on the left side, the video is going to load up, and then once it's loaded up, all you do is press play, and you can go back and listen to it at any time you want. It's no big deal. And of course, you see here this button that says access the logo, and you click on that and enter in the details that you want for your logo, that you want, how you want your logo to look, and your downloads. That's where all those opt-in templates and web page templates are going to be, that's easily downloadable. Your email templates, all of that is there for you. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you're looking at. This is a very awesome training, an awesome opportunity for you, and that's just a great compensation plan that you're not gonna wanna miss. I tell you, E1U Life has been great to me, and I know it'll be great to you. Go on over to e1u.easymoneysite.biz. That's e1u.easymoneysite.biz. Site.biz. Once again, William C. Rogers saying peace and light.